When you install a Microsoft package on your computer, you will have various Microsoft products, which includes Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft OneDrive, etc. Which brings us to our subject of discussion, that is Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a product designed and developed by Microsoft for storing data in an organized way. It is capable to manipulate data through mathematical functions, extract data and represent data visualization using graphs and charts. Microsoft Excel is broken down into five major parts, namely the header, the ribbon, the formula bar, the worksheet, and status bar. In this video series, we'll be learning through different stages of Excel, from the interface to the terminologies to use when finding things in Excel. Firstly, we'll be looking at the header. If you're familiar with Excel, you will know that we have different versions of Excel. So today we'll be using the Microsoft 2019 version. However, you can also use the online based or the online platform to join this tutorial if you cannot get the Microsoft 2019 version. The most important thing here is the styling. Now, the styling on the 2019 is a bit different from that of the other versions. The header section houses File button, Save button, Undo, Redo, Quick Custom Access toolbar, the file name, Search sheet, the feedback section, Pin and Unpin ribbon, and Share file. The ribbon houses Home. In the Home button, you will find font, font size, bold, italics, underline, increase font, reduce font. We have top align, middle align, and bottom align. This is where you have the number format. On this number format section, there are different functions in them, namely number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, and many more. The next is the insert. The insert has columns and different charts. We have pivots and then we have maps. The next is the draw, page layout, formula, data, review, view. Note that some of these buttons may not be activated not until you perform certain operations. For instance, if I select 3 cells, the table button will come up. Now, the table button houses summarize with pivot table, remove duplicate, and several other functions. Next here is the formula bar. The formula bar has the name box. The name box bears the name of the cell which is being highlighted. The next is the formula. The formula bar can either be increased or reduced in size. Next on our list is the worksheet. The worksheet has 16,384 columns and 1,048,576 rows, that is over 17 billion cells. Now, this tiny box that is being highlighted is called the cells. Each cell is named after a number and an alphabet. As I click on cell D4, it is displayed on the name box. Each sheet is identical and unique in its own way. You can either rename, insert, delete, move, copy, protect, hide, select all, or change the color of the sheet that you choose to work with. There are different sheets here that you can choose from using this navigator, or you can right click on the navigator to give you the list of all the sheets that are currently opened in Excel. The worksheet has vertical and horizontal column. To select column D, I'll I'll click on the D from the top to select all. I can either insert, delete, clear content, format cell, column width, hide and unhide. If I hide column D, it will be hidden. If I click on it and then click on unhide, it will come back again. I can repeat the same thing on here. I can insert, delete, clear, format, row height, hide and unhide. To scroll bar that will enable us to see the work that is outside the work page. On the bottom here, right beneath the sheet, is the status bar. The status bar houses the normal page preview, page layout, page break preview, and the zoom. The function of the zoom is to increase or reduce the sheet. If I get to activate 3 or 4 cells, it will discover that other hidden functions was called up, that is the average, the count, and summation. Note that it also called up the table that was initially hidden at the ribbon. There are other functions that are also hidden here that can only be activated when you hover your mouse over them. For instance, the Excel, File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Data, Window, and Help. We'll get to explore them further in the next class.